Hi. Let's see about differential equation of first order and higher degree. So we have differential equation. For example, you can see this dy by dx. See this problem. Solve xy into dy by dx the whole square. Let me select this. Dy by dx the whole square. So if I say dy by dx, it is first order. Because of the power, it is a higher degree, that is more than 1. Xy into dy by dx whole square minus x square plus y square into dy by dx plus xy is equal to 0. Now if you see, we are going to substitute dy by dx as p. Okay. And if you see a differential equation of order nth degree, because it could be 2 or more than 2. And we have this a naught p power n plus a1 p power n minus 1, a2 p power n minus 2 plus and so on plus an. These a naught, a1, etc. are not constant. They are functions of x and y. And for example, if you see here, a naught p power n, in the place of n, I have 2. xy into dy by dx the whole square. So in the place of n, I have 2. In the place of a naught, I have xy. And if this is the differential equation of first order nth degree, and we are going to write this as a product of n linear factors. That is, this is the first factor, p minus f1 of x comma y, p minus f2 of x comma y, and so on. So these are the differential equations of first order and first degree. Once I factorize it, this has become a smaller differential equation of first order and first degree, and already we know how to solve a first order first degree. Right from variable, separable, exact, linear, and all these processes are there. Now each first order first degree we will solve, and their product of such differential equations will give you the general solution. Okay, so for example, for this first term, this is the solution. For the second term, this is the solution, and hence the general solution is given by product of all these solutions. Now let us solve this problem. That is xy into, let me rewrite this, xy into dy by dx the whole square minus x square plus y square into dy by dx plus xy is equal to 0. Now, if I substitute, normally what is the substitution? Dy by dx as p. If I substitute dy by dx as p, then the above equation will become xy into, this one will become p square minus x square plus y square, and this one will become p plus xy is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but a quadratic equation in p. So how to solve a quadratic equation? That is factorization and then T method and all those things is there. But the very basic thing is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the solution for ax square plus bx plus c, and x is given by this, correct? Minus b plus or minus. Now if you see, in the place of x what we have? P. And in the place of, here I'll write it, in the place of x, I have p. And in the place of a is xy. See here, this is xy. And in the place of b, minus of x square plus y square. And in the place of c, we have xy. See these equations, it is the same as your quadratic equation. Just we have to substitute these values over here. So instead of x, we have p minus b. So this minus and formula minus will become plus. So I'll write it as x square plus y square plus or minus root of b square, that is x square plus y square the whole square minus 4ac. A is xy, c is another again xy. A and c means 4x square y square by 2a. Again a is 2xy. Let me 2xy. Now we have this simplification which is inside the square root. plus or minus root of, this is x square plus y square plus 2x square y square minus 4x square y square by 2xy. Now, if you see what is there inside the bracket, 1 plus 2 is there, 1 minus 4 is there. So, automatically, oh my god, this looks very messy. But still, this plus 2 and this minus will become minus. So, we can write this as x square plus y square plus or minus root of x square minus y square the whole square. Correct? A square plus b square plus minus 2ab, because this plus 2 and this minus 4, these two terms will come together as 1 minus 2 x square y square. So x square plus y square minus 2 x square y square, I can write it as x square minus y the whole square. And I can take this out from the square root, which is nothing but x square plus y square plus or minus x square minus y square by 2xy. Now it is easy for us. One x square minus y square term is there, that x square minus y square term is there. I have taken first the plus sign. Here is the plus sign, and y square will get cancelled. X square plus x square, it will become 2x square divided by xy. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Again 1 or x also will get cancelled. P is equal to x by y is the first root. We have a negative root also, this minus. So x square plus y square minus of x square minus y square. If this goes inside, this is negative. Again this minus into this minus will become plus, and then this x square will get cancelled. Y square plus y square will become 2y square. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and then 1y will get cancelled. We will get y by x. Now we have simplified this quadratic equation as, or we have factorized it as two terms. What is the first one? P is equal to x by y, which is same as, I can write this as dy by dx is equal to x by y. This is my first differential equation. Second one is dy by dx is equal to y by x. This is the second differential equation. Now we are going to integrate this and try to get the solution. What is the factor for the first one? Dy by dx is equal to x by y. This I can write it as y dy is equal to x dx. Both are same. If I integrate this, integral of y dy is equal to integral of x dx plus some constant c. Y integration is y square by 2. X integration is x square by 2 plus c. If I simplify this, I will write down this here because we have one more equation to simplify. This one, let it be there. Y square by 2 minus x square by 2 is equal to some c. This is nothing but y square minus x square is equal to 2c, or I can write it as y square minus x square is equal to 2k. I can, 2c, I'll write it as k. We'll write it as, let k is equal to 2c. So your solution is y square minus x square minus k is equal to 0. So if you want, you can write it as let k is equal to 2c. This is the answer we solved for the first half. What is the second half? The second half is there. That is, one is dy by dx is x by y. The other one is dy by dx is equal to y by x. We are doing the same thing here. Here what we will write? Dy by y is equal to dx by x. Because this is the second differential equation that we have got. And if I again integrate this dy by y, let me write the integration symbol also. Dy by y is nothing but log y, and then this is log x, and then here it is some constant C or K, whatever it is, plus C. If I take this to one side, log y minus log x is equal to C, and log A minus log B is log A by B. So I can write it as log y by x. And this C, I can write it as some log K. Okay, because the C is just a constant, I can write this as logarithm of some other constant so that it's easy for us to compare, which implies we can compare this as, let me write it here, log of A is equal to log of B means this A should be equal to B, therefore y by x is equal to K. I have written it here. Therefore y is equal to Kx, which implies y minus Kx is equal to 0. Okay. Here I can substitute as log K is equal to C, because that is what we have done. Already we have got one answer that we have written as equation 1. Now this is equation 2. And what we said, the general solution is given by the product of those two first order first degree differential equation. So the general solution is given by, what is the first equation? Y square minus x square minus k into y minus kx is equal to 0. So we have multiplied these two answers, and most of the time whenever we get quadratic, it is very easy. We can use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and we'll get two different values of p, and just we have to integrate, and most of the time 90% you will get a variable separable method, which is very easy to solve. And also you may get in terms of trigonometry, say p square. You can solve this problem on your own. Question 2 I'll write p square plus 2py cot x is equal to y square. In this problem, a is 1, again 2y cot x. This is b because it's the equation is quadratic in p. You can see this. So 2y cot x is b, and minus y square is c. We can rewrite this, and we can simplify this as a quadratic equation, and we have to solve this. So here we will be using basic trigonometric formulas to simplify this. P square plus 2y cot x p. Now it's easy for us to, minus y square is equal to 0. So if you solve this, again the same minus b plus or minus, here we will be using trigonometric formulas to simplify this. That's it. Thank you.